Assemblies of God, General Overseer, Reverend Dr. Stephen Wengham. Well, yeah, appointing no. They all had something to gain, and now a president staffer. Obeji V8 no, obeji salon car no, wardrobe allowances, outfit allowances, entertainment allowances. Everybody. Obia or your journalist or your Denny Den. Nobody is a neutral in Ghana. You see? Even pastors. And that meaning we can no. Assemblies of God. General Overseer. Reverend Dr. Stephen Wengham. Well, you're appointing no. You're an appointment as board chairman for Ghana Immigration Service Board. You're appointing no. Assemblies of God. General Overseer. You're an appointment. And the Obia ni wa ye neutral. Osofo Obia ni wa ye neutral. No pastor there is a neutral. No journalist is a neutral. That's John Mahama's church pastor. Only pastor no. One appointment. And you win your friends and family. Baby says family and friends. Yes. This is a correct description of family and friends. They say ye two abanuma wa pastor. Pastor was a woman appointment. Board chairman. You see? And he said, thus saith the Lord, in the spiritual realm, I see even the Lord has appointed John Dramani Mahama to become the next president because he has a good heart. Hey! In the spiritual realm, a appointment in tea. That's a nice laughing. Yes. A appointment in tea. Appointment. Yeah, the kid though. So a board chairman. Hey, he comes with a V8. V8 count. Monthly sitting allowances. Yeah. And the next time 2028. Say you gonna see you got two abano. And you hear say, thus saith the Lord, even as I was praying in my prayer closet, even the Lord showed I see Ketia to me that he is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. And the Lord said, Massa, don't believe it. A appointment in tea. A appointment. Because if it was about God appointing who will be the next person, and the uncle said, let's become like Israel. Let's just get one prophet who will tell us, next time David, next time we. Then we don't go and vote again because we spend a lot of money voting. But Pastor, we are going to vote. Then you come and tell me, say, thus saith the Lord. Hey! You say, Pastor, no, Osofo is your appointment. Osofo is your appointment, too. Board chairman say. So now the pastors are taking appointment, the neutrals are taking appointment, the so-called journalists, the actors and actresses, all of them are taking appointment. It is good. Now Ghanaians, let your eyes open. Let your eyes open. You are now seeing their true colors. You are now seeing that Bridget Otu is not a neutral. All the tweets, all the bashing of Baumia, all the bashing on Akufo-Addo was because she knew, say, John Mahama Ba or the Netubeji Golf. And now the Netuaji. The Netuaji. So, people, you can send your request. We are talking about the fake neutrals and the first topic. Mayenka wants them first. Then let's go to the next one. What should be the MPP strategy going forward? MPP strategy going forward, a better thing. Because now we are saying, say, NDC, whilst they were in opposition, they bought the media. So should MPP also start going to fetch media men who will do our bidding, or we should start opening radio stations, or we should start doing live streaming, our YouTube, our Facebook? Because me sure say who MPP now cause Sam George also got license to open a radio station on farm. But we cannot sit down and watch them control the media. So we must start opening our own online media outlets. This is the voice of MPP platform. This is Ghana TV GH. To say Ohian TV, to say For the Records, to say Good Evening Ghana. We need more and more of those. And in fact, you hear more that will speak the local tree dialect. Akan Kasano. We need more online and offline stations. Aumbeka Akan Kasa, Chi, Ewe, Dagbani, Kotokoli, and the rest. Because most of the time, no, we limit ourselves too much to speaking English. Our MPP mo. We limit ourselves too much. For almost 3 years now, I'm deliberately learning pure Ewe. Yes, I'm deliberately learning pure Ewe. And I'm trying also to communicate in Chi. Because brofo ntok ponko. Brofo no. Say, Agenda 111, we are building 111 hospitals in 88 districts and all. We are doing the vaccine center. Vaccine center, market woman who say, vaccine there. Vaccine there. And I say, in our vaccine de nukaye. French, for I say, vaccine c'est quoi? La vaccine c'est quoi? Fantibeka say, vaccine ebade. Fantifo is ebade. Is that not so? Ebade. Something like that. So that is what MPP we must strategize. We must strategize. Enough of the brofo. Let's start speaking the local dialects. I know I'm saying enough of the brofo, but I'm still speaking brofo here because Moamundi Miko Kachia minti me flow. Ankamuti ewe ankameka ewe. But chale yenka chi, yenka dangbani, yenka fanti, yenka gan, onugan. Toyote, yenka auza, mekechi. Yenka ewe, nuka leji. Yenka chi dene koso. So that the people will understand. There should be a way to explain credit score system in Chi. There should be a way to explain to the people, say, these are the benefits of free senior high school. These are the benefits of getting ambulances. These are the benefits of drip. And then NDC4C, they are training 4,000 people to man the drip equipment. It shows you, say, Adea Baumia Akufuado, no, Eyadipa. But we could not communicate in the language of the people. So they thought we were doing nothing. STEM schools, yes, no. We could have explained to the people in Chi, in Ewe, in Guan, in whatever. But we were speaking English. And we allowed these fake neutrals. I'm from journalists, no. We allowed them to go to the people and they were speaking language that the people could understand. And the people bought into their message. Here we are now, MPP. With all we have done. With the massive development we experience over 8 years, massive development. A friend was saying, economy. Our economy, Ghana, it moved from 300 billion to 1 trillion, 1.2 trillion. We multiply our economic size by over 400% increment. And jumaki twana ye. Ya bomb kasa. But we were not able to communicate to the people in their language. The language they can understand. All our communicators, they are looking for slot on TV3. All our communicators are looking for slot on Metro. All of them are looking for slot on GH1 because they want to be seen as working. But those are not the places that sell to the people. the radio stations and TV stations that sell to the people, open source TV, open source TV, Nshira and the others. They those radio stations and TV stations that speak the local dialect, they are the ones who are able to shape the narrative. And so not everyone is supposed to be in Accra. Say who call Metro and all those. No. Not everyone. Who be a social media platform, ka chi nibi, ka ga nibi, ka ewe nibi. That is why very soon we are going to be doing strictly ewe platform wesu. Ebia one day in a week, strictly ewe. Wa wunti ewe no pono. Mi mami mu, Auntie Selena, Mami, Aspari and the others, baby. You will all be on it, even though you don't understand. You will be sharing the live, you'll be liking, you'll be commenting. Once you know the title is enough, I'll be speaking away. Once in a week, I'm a car away throughout, so that others will listen to the good news according to the MPP. I told you when I got to US, Miami School, US, and I saw the phase 2. What Akufo-Addo did there, I was shocked. I was like, there we were, it would be Obia and Kawansem. There we were just with us here in Volta region, and my people were still saying, "Say Akufo-Addo anye shiamom." When you see the road network, our Volta as Akufo-Addo has done it, you will be shocked. Say, there we were Hana Volta for. Me amin Crawford make us say Akufo-Addo anye shiamom. Thanks to those gifting. She said me young gift no pa, because me person me to ade bi wo US. Me young gift net mun gifting me why. And that reminds me, pacho me US home be bili mu nyina. US home be bili mu nyina, because me person me to ade bi almost $400 enti. Obi bia US bia no be bili mu. After here me send you obi a US ni naba. Na mu discount send man na onto ade no breme. But we must communicate. We have to communicate. We made very, very, very grievous mistakes. I'm saying when you say we will pay, don't worry at all. Thanks to all of you for your kind hearts. We must communicate. We must let the people know. We must let the people know. But it's not too late. It's not too late, okay? And yet late. We can turn around things. And we are beginning to turn around things. And we are going to turn things around with Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Dr. Digitalization. We are going to look for the true version of digitalization, and we'll go to the people who explain to them, say, digitalization no ewa chimu no say ni say digitalization no ewa mo no say ni say digitalization ewa gamu no say ni say dagbane mo say ni say dagomba mu, whatever language. We will look for digitalization and explain to them. Credit score will explain everything to them in the language they can understand. Now could you say amen? No? Yeah. We'll explain to them. And this one there, whilst we are in opposition here there, everybody must become a communicator. Call radio station it is Obia and Tuayo. Communication team no my party. Obia and Tuayo, no one pays us. No one pays us. And see, what else worth you? You don't have to be paid. What TikTok account on Kwandia? What TikTok account unkwadia? What Facebook account unkwadia? What Twitter account unkwadia? Usu call live nebi, call Twitter space nebi. Neka language, local dialect. Fantiaka. If you need us to come and be on the live for you, we'll come and be on the live. We'll be power tapping, we'll be liking, we'll be sharing. Even if we don't understand, we will be there. Through what? Who dare say 1 hour 30 minutes cry? We will sacrifice our data, we will be on it for you. Because the message must go to each and everybody. You see how market women are now liking Ghana Jollof? Yes. It's so-called marketers say Ghana Jollof, Ghana Jollof, Ghana Jollof, Ghana Jollof. Eric said, you are doing a good job, bro. Thank you. Ghana Jollof. Last time I met Akosi Menu, or see Ghana Jollof. I said, good. She's making an impact. I went to meet our incoming first lady. I told her, say, there is a woman called Ghana Jollof. Juma or Yeno. And easy. She said, wow. Yes. So let's do that. Please, you can send your request. Let's have a conversation. You can send your request at this point. Let's have a conversation about around the fake neutrals. How did we not figure it out? That these people who were calling themselves journalists, were calling themselves CSOs, were calling themselves academia, all of them, how did we figure it? Did we not figure it out? How did they escape us? Send the request, Yankasa. And then Bridget Otu. I am an appointment or church or year releases. And let me, whilst waiting for your request, let me show you what she typed today. This Bridget Otu, I say, and 12 hours ago, I say, so it begins. On January 7th, I awoke like most Ghanaians, G3, with anticipation and ready to witness the swearing in of our new president, a president chosen in a historic landslide victory to reset the fate of our beloved country, Ghana. Bridget ought to know. Neutral, no? Oh, no. They all had something to gain. And now a presidential staffer. Obeji V8, no, Obeji saloon car, no, wardrobe allowances, outfit allowances, entertainment allowances.